Namaste everyone. Here I am going to introduce about a bill. What is a bill? Usage of a bill, examples of a bill, and preparation of a bill will be explained here. A shopkeeper prepares a bill for customers. Now, what is a bill? The slip of paper on which a shopkeeper notes down requirements of a customer and calculates the total cost of items purchased is called a bill. Now, usage of a bill. A bill is used as to keep a track on day-to-day sales, to cross-check the prices of items purchased and their total cost, and to exchange the item easily by showing the bill in case of any problem. Now, some examples of bills are gas bill, electric bill, ration bill, etc. Now, I am going to prepare a bill. As we know, a bill is prepared by a shopkeeper for customers. Here, one information is given like this. With the help of them, we have to prepare a bill like this. Mr. Karna purchased the following items from Style Garment Store, GT College Road, Begusarai on 3rd September 2020. First of all, we have to write address like this: Style Garment Store. On the top part of slip of paper, Style Garment Store, GD College Road, Begusarai. Date is compulsory. We have to date here like this. Put here date, that is 3/9/2020, 3rd September 2020. We need to write mobile number also to contact to shopkeeper. After that, serial number of purchased articles. After that, items. After that, quantity. After that, rate. Amount. In this information, first item, that is frocks. Quantity is 2, and rate, cost of one article is called its rate. It is here rupees 255.75. This is cost of one article per frock. Its amount will be calculated like this: cost of one article is given, that is rupees 255.75, and total number of quantity is 2. We need to multiply it to get its amount. This is amount of two quantities, 2 frocks. Second quantity is salwar kameez. This is item, quantity is 1 only. Its rate is for rupees 325. Rate and amount will be same because quantity is only 1 here. 325. Total cost will be rupees 325. We need to write in like decimals like this. Third item is 3 shirts, that is shirt. Shirts, its quantity is 3. Rate, cost of 1 shirt, that is rupees 125 decimal 50 per shirt, means this is cost of 1 shirt. So cost of 3 shirts will be, we need to multiply it. Fourth quantity, night gowns. Quantity is 4. Rate means cost of 1 night gown, that is rupees 105. .50 per gown. This is cost of 1 gown. We need to find cost of 4 gowns. Quantity is 4. So we have to multiply it here by 4. Now we have to add it to get total cost. Signature will be put here of the shopkeeper. Here with the date. And this sum will be total amount. We need to add it. This is total cost of purchased articles, and this is bill. According to question, if Mr. Karn gives the shopkeeper rupees 1,700, this is paid amount. How much balance does he get back? Now we have to solve it. Now amount given by Mr. Karn is equal to rupees 1,700. This amount cost of purchased things. It is calculated rupees 1,635. Now, how much balance does he get back? So, he will get back, this will be subtracted like this. ₹65. This amount will be returned by the shopkeeper to Mr. Karn. This is bill. In this way we can prepare a bill. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.